requesting permission to launch an EMP.
Approved. EMPs are authorized for use. EMP activated, acquiring target lock.
Suspect is not responding to my instructions. Let's see how he responds to this. Central requesting permission to release its spike strip.
Confirmed. Spike strips are authorized for use. Detecting an EMP lock signal. Make evasive maneuvers. Target systems are overloaded. All units moving for the arrest.
EMP online.
Suspect is driving extremely dangerously. You've got to end this now.
Spike strip deployed.
Central requesting a roadblock.
All units, we are reading a disruption to the communication system. Please confirm system operation.
Jammer available.
Suspect has hit the roadblock. All units move in for the arrest. Repeat, move in for the bust.
All units, weapon systems are down. Suspect is using a jammer.
Jammer ready. Strip online.
Spike strip deployed. We are showing.
I'm gonna try and slow him down.
All units, pursuit escalation. Use all available force.
Closing on some drivers, they just sped by me. Stand by cover while I attempt to stop them. Suspect just rammed me.
Hudson Tech. Cutting-edge aftermarket automotive technology. Harnessing the latest developments in jamming technology, the Hudson Tech Sweeper jams multiple frequencies in succession, rendering a wide range of speed enforcement devices useless.